What's up everybody, it is a sneaker plug here. Today I want to give you guys a close detail review of the Louis Vuitton trainer collaboration with Nigo that has become one of the most popular silhouettes among trainer sneakers. I have bought this sneakers from RosaSneaker's VIP website for $210. You can get them for lower price by using my discount code, ROSA10. Watch the entire video if you want to check all details of those amazing replica shoes by RosaSneakers.
The new season collaboration between Louis Vuitton and Nigo. And here is the two shoes. You guys can see it's with the dust bag. So that's how Louis Vuitton gave out their sneakers or any like bags, clothing stuff. Bam! And here we go. This is the new season collaboration between Louis Vuitton and Nigo. The quality, you know, that's Louis Vuitton is the best quality and they have the best leather. They use all really luxury leathers, so we can see the all over print for the ducks, which this is actually the iconic logos from Human Made. So Nigo like to use like dog, tiger, polar bear, which says LV made because Nigo's brand is called Human Made, and Louis Vuitton they just want to see the collaboration, just do like LV made, which you know. And moving on to the Vuitton, you can see a yellow Louis Vuitton logo, really cool, shining out there. And on the back, we can see the Louis Vuitton square, and bottom is all white, nothing too different. And that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channels. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.